Happy morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are doing well. In this conversation, we are moving to exercise problem. Okay, exercise 2.5, question number 1. Given two subdivision, so one by one we can discuss. Okay, question number 1, solution: point 2x square minus x minus 15 less than or equal to 0. Now sum product rule. Product means 2, 15 minus 30, isn't it? Then sum minus 1 is there. So already I told you the product negative sign means selected to one positive, one negative. But we have some negative means the biggest number considered for negative sign, isn't it? So biggest number negative means what will happen? The condition, sorry my dear, 2x square plus x, okay? So plus 1, okay? Now 6 and 5 possible, no? 6 and 5. So 6 into minus 5 minus 30. 6 minus 5 is equal to positive 1. But leading coefficient more than 1. Therefore, we can simplify 6 divided by 2 and minus 5 divided by 2. 6 and 2 how many times? 3 times. Therefore, the first factor x plus 3. Next factor 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 0. To make it for number line means equal to inequality symbol equal to 0. Divide two parts. First case x plus 3 is equal to 0. Second case 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 3 and 2x is equal to minus 5. Bring it opposite side, positive 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 2. Make it one number line. So, minus infinity to positive infinity. Minus 3 and positive 5 by 2. Minus 3, 0, 5 by 2. First case interval. Second factor x plus 3 into 2x minus 5. Last one sign. Okay. So now we have to check it. The possible case. Minus 3 means take it first interval minus infinity to minus 3. What will happen? Minus infinity to minus 3 means minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 means minus sign. Again, x instead of x, take it value minus 4. So 2 into minus 4, minus 8. Therefore, again minus. Minus into minus plus. So next condition, minus 3 to 5 by 2. Minus 3 to 5 by 2. So in between 0 is there, no? 0 plus 3 plus 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus minus. Again plus into minus minus. Minus. Last interval 5 by 2 to infinity. 5 by 2 to infinity. Now 3 will, because 5 by 2 value will be 2.5. So take it for 3 means 3 plus, again plus, 2 into 3 6, again plus. So plus into plus plus. But condition less than or equal to 0. Center only, no? First one, last one wrong. Therefore, the possible solution for x belongs to closed interval. Less than or equal to is there, no? Minus 3 and 5 by 2. This is our answer. Okay, I will continue. Moving to question number 2. So question number 2, minus x square plus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So starting negative sign to convert for positive means x square minus 3x plus 2x equality symbol also less than or equal to 0. Now sum product rule. Product means positive 2, sum means negative 3. So now, so true and 1, isn't it? True and 1, but actually the product positive sign means selected to same sign, whether positive or negative, but some negative sign means both side minus. So now minus 2 into minus 1, positive 2, minus 2 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Now what are the factor? X minus 2 and x minus 1. This is called less than or equal to 0. To make it for number line, equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, first case x is equal to 0, second case x is equal to 1. So make it for number line. So minus infinity to positive infinity, 0, 1 and 2. So first interval Second case factor x minus 2 into x minus 1. The last one sine. First interval minus infinity to 1. Minus infinity to 1. 0 we can take now. So minus sine. Again 0 minus 1 minus sine. Minus into minus plus. Next case 1 to 2. 1.5. 1.5 minus means minus 2 means minus sine. Again 1.5 minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Last interval 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity. What will happen? 2 to infinity. 3 we can take. No, 3 minus 2 plus. Again 3 minus 1 again plus. Plus into plus plus. But condition we have to look at remodulus. Remodulate means the less than or equal to 0. Given question greater than, but we have remodulate less than or equal to 0. Therefore, second case only. First and last not possible. Therefore, x belongs to closed interval. The condition also less than, isn't it? So, less than means the term will be 1 and 2 closed interval. Okay, I will continue the next question. So, concept, the name polynomial function. So, one of the important term, okay, in your book, I think page number 64, isn't it? Polynomial function is there. Already we have discussed about quadratic equation. What is the meaning quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, isn't it? But when you can say the linear polynomial, it's given. Condition also is given. One of the term, a polynomial with degree 1 is called. Example, already you have studied. Actually, y is equal to mx plus c. At the same time, y is equal to ax plus b. The degree is 1 is there, no? That time we can say the degree is 1 means that is called linear polynomial. At the same time, degree is true. Consider for this is example. Degree 2 is there, no? Highest degree true is there. That is what is the name? And degree 2 is given. A polynomial with the degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. That cubic polynomial, actually cubic polynomial, how to define? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Actually, this is one of the important chapter plus 2. Okay, you will deep explanation. You will get a deep explanation next year also. This is the highest degree 3 means that is called a cubic polynomial. At the same time, power 4 means. So, ax power 4, bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. The highest degree 4 means that is called quartic. At the same time, 5 means highest degree 5 means that is called quintic polynomial respectively. So, one of the important, here some 3 different term is there. This is degrees polynomial, highest degree what the term? This is that 3 example is there. First subdivision 1 is a polynomial degree 7. Why we are saying the highest degree what the term number is there? 7. That's why there is a polynomial degree is 7. Next one is given is a polynomial of degree 4. This is actually it's given degree 4. Look at there. 17x. 17x into x square will come now. Again, x square into x means x cube will come. So, next bracket, x cube into x means x power 4. That's why the highest degree, it's called 4. Third one, look at there. So, third one also is given, it's polynomial degree 10. Look at there. So, x square and x cube means x power 5 will come now. So, x power 5 into x power 5. The formula, indices formula, a to the power m into a to the power n means a to the power m plus n. So, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now, we can say the highest degree is called 10. This is the 3 different type of the polynomial degree, okay. Then one more term, the function is given. How to respect the term actually? So, p of x is equal to a n minus, sorry, a n next n minus 1 is. So, a n x to the power n, a n x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 dot last condition a naught also is there. This is same. So, expanding the term like this one. So, a n x to the power n, then a n minus 1 dot a naught is there. The condition also is called polynomial function, which is the term also is given. What are the term is given? A naught, a1. So, a naught and a1, a2 dot this is called up to an. So, a naught, a1, a2 dot n. That is, if you take the reverse order means term will be 1, 2, a naught, a1, a2, a1, then a0 will come, isn't it? That's why. So, a naught, a1, a2 dot up to an. That is called The term will be a0, a1 also is given. What are the term actually? So a0 and a1 also is mentioned is there, isn't it? The term will be polynomial, the term polynomial function, which is the term. Yes, it's given in your book actually. A0, a0, a1, a2 dot 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 an is what is the term? It's called the coefficient. It's the number of the term. The coefficient of x square means a, coefficient of x is called b, like that. Last one constant. That's why the constant also one of the important point is given. That is called the coefficient. The last line, the number a0 is called. The number a0. The number a0 is called. What is the name? Coefficient. Look at there, the number of a0 is called, number of a0 is called constant. That's why this is the last term will be constant now. So power, highest power of 3 means the constant called will be d. At the same time, highest degree 4 means the constant will become e. Always not equal to 0. That is also, what is the name? Constant always not equal to 0 means that is polynomial of degree 0. Polynomial with the degree 0. Okay, that is also important condition. Okay, then another one important condition. Sometimes f of x is equal to, so 5x square minus 3x plus 2. Then g of x is equal to, so 10x to the power 4 minus 7x cube plus 3x square plus 9x plus 2. So we have two different type of the function. If it add, it means what will happen? F of x plus g of x is equal to, look at there. So power 4 only 1 is there. We can write it as it is, 10x to the power 4. Next condition, power 3 only 1 time. So we can write it as it is, 7x to the power 3. Next case, 5x square is there plus 3x square is there. The coefficient of x square, Therefore 5 plus 3 is equal to 8x square. Next condition, minus 3x plus 9x. Plus 9 minus 3 means positive 6x. Constant plus 2, value will be 4. Okay, this is the form of f of x plus g of x. At the same time, f of x minus g of x also the same one. According to the minus sign, we have to rearrange it. But next condition, one of the important, multiply means the same term. Here we have applied a multiply. 17x into 17x means each and every term multiply. Then only remove the bracket. First, how to simplify this two bracket? 17x into x, 17x square. Next 17x into 3. Then after getting the first term, minus 3 into x, again minus 3 into positive 3. This is the way multiply f of x into g of x. But next concept, f of x divided by g of x. Just the condition, one of the important, okay, division algorithm. Okay, f of x divided by g of x. This is called division algorithm. This is called division algorithm. This condition, one of the main term, denominator g of x is always not equal to 0. Okay, here also when you can say this is called quadratic equation, the leading coefficient always not equal to 0. Leading coefficient, what the term is there? A is there. A is always not equal to 0. One of the important condition. Then only we can say this is called quadratic equation. But when A is equal to 0 means completely this leading coefficient, the highest degree will be 0. Therefore, only we have linear polynomial because power only 1 is there now. When you meet power of 1 means that is called a linear polynomial. So, when you can say the quadratic equation, leading coefficient always not equal to 0. Whether degree 2, degree 3, degree 4 means leading coefficient not equal to 0. Okay. So, I will continue the next concept regarding division algorithm. Okay. Be stay on the line. Moving to another one concept, division algorithm. So, division algorithm means what is the meaning? F of x divided by g of x, isn't it? The term f of x into g of x, two polynomial have taken. G of x already I told you, not the zero polynomial. There exists two polynomial function. The condition also after applying such that one term is there, f of x is equal to, in your book you can look at it, okay, page number 65. So, f of x is equal to, so g of x into q of x, then remaining g of x into q of x plus r of x. For example, how to make this derivative term? So, suppose 5 divided by 3 is there, okay, 5 divided by 3. What will happen? 1 times 1 3s are 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. this is 5 is considered for f of x means 3 is considered for g of x. This is already we know quotient. Okay, this is called q of x. So this is we can take it r of x. Therefore, this is 5. How to derivative? How to expand this 5? So 5 is called f of x into g of x. The 5 will be, otherwise 5 will be equal to g of x into q of x, g of x into q of x plus remaining r of x. So g of x, what is the value? G of x consider for 3, q of x quotient 1 is there, plus the remainder 2. So 3 into 1 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is the derivative time. Look at there, f of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Then this is the term. Okay, but another one important condition. So remain in division algorithm, r of x always less than g of x. Okay, less than g of x. Why we are saying, suppose if we have the balance more than 3 means what will happen? So 4 we can, for example, more than 4 is there, definitely one more time also possible. No, that's why the condition also, when you make it such a derivative, the term, one of the condition, so remaining of x always less than g of x. That term, then only we can say f of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Then another one condition also is given, r of x is called remainder. So remainder means, so look at there, so hence q of x is called quotient, r of x is called remainder. Okay, if r of x is called zero polynomial, r of x zero polynomial, therefore r of x is equal to 0 means definitely f of x is equal to balance g of x into q of x. When it will come, so definitely 10 divided by 2, example 10 divided by 2, how many times? 5 2s are 10, no, now balance only 0, no, therefore 10 is considered for f of x means 2 is considered for g of x. So this is called q of x. That's why when you can say 10 will be equal to 5 into 2, no, 5 already we know that is called q of x and 2 is called g of x. That's why when r of x is 0 polynomial means the condition f of x is equal to g of x into q of x, g of x. Okay, now look at there, this is one of the important condition. Then continuation of another one term, remainder theorem. So remainder theorem, look at there, if g of x is, sorry my dear, one more point also is there. No, this terminology similar to used in the division done with integers. So I have taken some integer number 10 and 2 and 5 and 3. So when you can apply g of x is equal to x minus a. So g of x is equal to x minus a. So what will happen? Instead of g of x we can apply x minus a. Therefore f of x is equal to, instead of g of x we can write it x minus a into q of x then plus r of x, isn't it? Therefore, so r of x a constant value, no, directly we can write it c also, that is not an issue, constant, remainder, constant. Now, when you can apply x is equal to a, so instead of x, take it for a means what will happen? F of a is equal to a minus a into q of a. So, 0 into anything, value will be 0 plus c. Therefore, when apply for x is equal to a means definitely f of a is equal to only constant only is there, no, because a minus a is 0, 0 into anything, completely this value will be 0. Therefore, 0 plus a is equal to c. Therefore, if g of x is equal to x minus a means f of a is equal to c, one of the important condition. That time we can say x minus a is equal to, consider for 0, no, x minus a is equal to 0 means definitely value will be x is equal to a. That's why we are saying instead of x we can apply f of a. After getting f of a is equal to 0 means x minus a is a one of the factor. Therefore, this is called x minus a is one of the factor. Okay, this is a division algorithm. This is called remainder theorem also. Then another one, definition 2.1. Definition 2.1 also is given. Then given two important term also. What are the term is there? A polynomial function of degree n can have at most n distinct real 0. The one more condition also is there. Polynomial function p of x is equal to, polynomial function p of x is equal to, x square plus 1, isn't it? X square plus 1, such a case also, such a case has no real zero. No real zero means only imaginary. This case is imaginary. Look at there. X square plus 1 is equal to 0. What will happen? So x square is equal to plus 1, bring out opposite side, minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. Already I told you, this cases you can apply for imaginary. Therefore, we can say plus or minus I. So, plus I also, plus imaginary one answer, negative imaginary also another one answer. That's why such a cases also we will get it no real zero, only imaginary. This then second points also already we have discussed. I think rational coefficient. Yes, the condition second point, look at there. Suppose P of x is a polynomial function having rational coefficient. So, rational coefficient means, so rational coefficient term. What are the main term? Rational coefficient. Suppose the consider for P of x is equal to, if a plus b root p, one of the term means another one root we can consider a minus b root p. So, example number also 5 plus 3 root 2, one of the rational term means we can write it 5 minus 3 root 2, another one root. Okay, this is called rational coefficient. Okay, so I will continue the exercise question. Okay, be stay on the line. 2.6 question number 1. 4 question is there. So, one by one we can discuss. Question number 1, find all zeros of the polynomial function. Condition, question number 1. Solution, first question, f of x is equal to 4x square minus 25. The condition zeros of the polynomial. No? So, f of x consider for 0 means, zeros of the polynomial means 4x square minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, 4x square is equal to minus 25, bring out opposite side means positive 25. Therefore, x square is equal to 25 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to square root of 25 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. 25 means perfect square of 5, 4 means perfect square of 2. Now, zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. So, zeros of the polynomial, answer we have plus or minus 5 by 2. Moving to second one, okay. Second one, if x is equal to minus 2, one of the root, okay, this is one of the answer. Then find other roots. Look at there, the highest degree 3 is, definitely we will get it, 3 roots we will get it. So, one root already is given, okay. I will consider for the given term. What is the term? So, x cube minus x square minus 17x is equal to 22. Again plus 22, bring it opposite side. X cube minus x square minus 17x minus 22 is equal to 0. So, synthetic division we can apply because already one root also is given, no. So, 1 minus 1 minus 17 minus 22. Condition 0 means 1 plus 0 means 1. The minus 2 is there, no. So, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3, positive 6. So, minus 17 plus 6, minus 11, 2 into 11, 22, minus into minus, plus 22. Now, minus 22 plus 22 means 0 will come. Therefore, corresponding factor, this is constant x and x square. Therefore, one of the factor already I told you in concept, if you have result x minus a is equal to 0 means we can say x is equal to a. Therefore, we have, what is the meaning? So, x is equal to, we have the solution 0. Therefore, x plus 2 one of the factor, because x is equal to minus 2 is there, no. X is equal to minus 2, we have the solution 0. Therefore, minus 2 bring it opposite side means x plus 2 is one of the factor. Now, corresponding factor remaining constant x square. Therefore, x square minus 3x minus 11 is equal to 0. Now, we can apply the quadratic form. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 11. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus b, already minus sign is therefore positive 3, plus or minus b square means minus 3 the whole square, positive 9, plus or minus 4 into a is equal to value 1, c is equal to minus 11, whole term divided by 2 into a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1. Again x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9, sorry dear, b square minus 4ac, isn't it, minus 9, minus into minus, plus 11 into 4, 44, the whole term divided by 2. So now x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 44 plus 9 is equal to 53, whole term divided by 2. This is other 2 root now. 3 plus root of 53 divided by 2, 3 minus square root of 53 by 2. Therefore, zeros of the polynomial, already we have one solution. So, x is equal to minus 2 comma, then 3 plus square root of 53 by 2 comma, 3 minus square root of 53 by 2. Okay, I will continue the next question. So, third one, solution, x power 4 is equal to 16. So, someone have done like that, isn't it? Very simple of the time. What is the question? So, x power 4 we can take no. X power 4 is equal to 16 is there. Therefore, we can say no. So, x power 4 it will be equal to 2 power 4, isn't it? Because 2 power 4 means value will be 16 no. Therefore, so 4 will be cancelled means x is equal to 2. Then someone, but actually this is actually wrong method. Next condition also we can apply. Squaring on both sides means what it happens? Squaring on both sides means, so squaring on both sides means x square is equal to 16 power 4 means 2 power 4. Square root of 2 power 4 means we can split no, 2 power 2. Again x square is equal to 2 square means what the answer will come? So x is equal to plus or minus 2. Someone have done, but actually this is a wrong method. Why it's a wrong method? Question, find the real roots. Such a question we have to show how many imaginary root also is there. Okay, question, find the real root. Therefore, how to make it? X is power 4 plus 16 bring it opposite side means minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we can split it. X power 4 minus 2 power 4 is equal to 0. Now one formula we can apply. So a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square into a square minus b square. So what is the meaning? So x square plus 2 square, again x square minus 2 square is equal to 0. So divide 2 time means x square plus 2 square means 4 no, equal to 0. Next case x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to plus 4 bring out opposite side minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to square root of minus 4. Already I told you square root of negative number means definitely real roots. Not possible to real root, only imaginary. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus I, isn't it? So, this is imaginary, which is imaginary. Okay. So, next case x square is equal to minus 4 bring out opposite side positive 2. Therefore, positive 4 dear. Now, therefore, x is equal to square root of 4. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. So, real roots, condition real roots is equal to, therefore, real roots is equal to plus 2 comma minus 2. Okay. Last one. This is question, fourth one. Question, 2x plus 1 the whole square minus 3x plus 2 the whole square. This is a square minus b square formula. What is the meaning? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? Therefore, this is whole term consider for a, this is whole term consider for b means first a plus b. What is the meaning? A term 2x plus 1 then plus b, isn't it? So, plus b is equal to 3x plus 2 the whole term, then again the whole term a minus b, a is equal to 2x plus 1, next term a minus b, isn't it? So, a minus b means again, so a minus b, so minus bracket of 3x plus 2. Now split the term. This is plus, no problem. So plus means 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus 2. Next case, so 2x plus 1, remove the bracket, minus 3x minus 2, the whole term equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3x, 5x plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next case, 2x minus 3x minus x plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So, divide 2 part means 5x plus 3 equal to 0, minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again 5x plus 3, bring out opposite side, minus 3. Minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Next case, minus x is equal to positive 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Now, the condition also solve only, no. Therefore, the possible value x is equal to the last one. So, possible value x is equal to minus 3 by 5 comma minus 1, isn't it? Okay. So, please listen, my dear students. So, I have completed up to exercise 2.6. Okay. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay. I will continue the next session. Bye bye.